Hello everyone. Today we are solving another question from Cognizant SDE Sheet in GFG. Today's question is buildings receiving sunlight. Given the array ARR of heights of certain buildings that lie adjacent to each other, sunlight starts falling from the left side of the buildings. If there is a building of a certain height, all the buildings to the right side of it having lesser heights cannot see the sun. The task is to find the total number of buildings that receive the sunlight. Okay, that means we are when these types of questions are given, that heights of buildings are given, always try to draw them. Okay. Now the question says there is suppose there is sun on the left side. Okay. Now the question says if there is a building of certain height, all the buildings to its right, if it is of less height than the current one, will not receive the sunlight. That means for this one, they it will not receive sunlight as it is getting blocked by the this bigger building. Okay, hope you understand that. And therefore this will also receive sunlight as it is not getting blocked, and this building will get blocked. So you can solve this question by keeping track of the current maximum. Okay, by this process you can solve this problem like up to the for I equal to 0, let's say max of I, max till ith. Okay, that means as we all know the first element will always reach the sunlight. We can store 6 here and we can start iterating from 1. So when we come to this building, is this the max till I ith position? No, the max till ith position is 6. Therefore, this building will not receive the sunlight. You can keep a counter variable c equal to 1. Why c equal to 1? Because this building always receives sunlight. Okay, so c will be equal to 1. Now come to this building. Is this greater than or equal to the current maximum? Yes, this is greater than. Therefore, we will increase the count to 2 and update our maximum till ith position to the current value 8. Okay. Now come to 4. Is this greater or equal to the current maximum? No. Then we perform no operation. Then we come to the value 11. Is 11 greater than or equal to 8? Yes. Therefore, we update count to 3 and update the maximum till ith position to 11. Now come to 13. It is also greater, therefore we increase our counter and update our maximum. Now the array is over. This counter is our answer. Okay. Why we are checking for greater than equal to? As the question stated that, as the question stated that having lesser heights cannot see the sun. That means having greater or equal will lead to seeing the sun. So what I'm going to do is, uh, at first I'm going to check if not ARR. Okay, that means if the array contains no values, return -1. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, we are going to keep a variable max I to ARR of 0. Okay, and count variable initialized by 1. Now we start iterating from the second value in range 1 comma len ARR. Okay, what we do if ARR I greater than equal to max I, what I'm going to do is count plus equal to 1 and max I will be updated to ARR I. Okay, after the whole loop will return the count. Let's compile and run it. Is the sample test case have passed? Now let's try to submit. Yes, it is passed successfully. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.